Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. In this video, I will cook crispy pork belly the shortcut way. No boiling, no drying overnight, and no long marinating time. Come along with me to see how this is prepared. First of all, let's have a look at our all-important pork belly. It's about 1.2 kg and we need to wipe both sides dry using our kitchen paper. Just dab it, like this. Then we need to use a knife with sharp tip, poke holes on the skin. The depth of the holes should be just into the fat layer, approximately 2 to 5 millimeters deep. Ensure that you do not pierce the meat beneath. Poking holes allow the fat to render, thus creating a delicate, puffed, crispy, crackling skin. So then turn the meat over and score the meat into strips and then into squares. Then we need to rub spices into the crevices and keep the skin dry and clean for best results. So the seasonings consist of the chicken powder, pepper, salt, and also I put in 1 tablespoon of 5-spice powder. If you like more, you can put more. If you like less, you can just adjust it according to your taste. So important is to rub all our spices so that they are evenly distributed all over the meat side only. So pay particular attention to the crevices. Just rub the spices evenly into the crevices as well. Then get hold of an aluminum pan roughly about the size of your pork belly. My pork belly is about 17 cm by 17 cm square, roughly about that. So then fit it snugly into the aluminum pan. Then this is 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. We need to brush the vinegar evenly on the skin. The vinegar is, act on the skin as a tenderizer and dehydrator to achieve maximum crispness and bubble up the crackling. So then spread salt. I have got about 100 grams of salt. Later we're going to remove it, not to worry. On the skin, we're going to spread it evenly. The salt is to draw out moisture via osmosis, ensuring the skin becomes extremely crispy and airy rather than tough or chewy. So just spread it evenly all the way until the edge, making sure that the salt does not fall over the edge. Okay, so now it is nice and even. So we are going to air fry it in our air fryer. I am using the Philips. I'm using this Philips air fryer Nova XXL. It's about 7.2 liters in volume. It is big enough for a 17 cm square pork belly. So put into the air fryer and air fry it at 130 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Okay, 40 minutes later, we can take out our pork belly. You will see that the salt has hardened into a dry, crusty layer. So it's easy to remove. We need to remove it before the final high temperature air frying in the second step. So just use a scraper or a spatula to remove it. And transfer our pork belly to another plate. This is to enable us to wipe dry any remnant salt that might have accumulated in our aluminum pan. So just use a cloth or a piece of paper to wipe it. Also wipe dry residual salt on the pork skin. Otherwise, it will be too salty. Then put back the pork belly into the aluminum pan. So add about 1 tablespoon of oil and brush it evenly on the skin. The oil is to help to create a golden brown skin and ensures uniform blistering. Then put it back into the air fryer, and this final high temperature air frying is to purge the oil and turn the dehydrated skin into bubbly, crackly skin. So we're going to air fry it for about 40 to 45 minutes at a high temperature, 200 degrees Celsius. So here we are. Our pork belly is golden brown, is ready, and you can see that the skin is highly blistered. So we need to rest it. This resting allows internal juices to redistribute, ensuring the meat remains tender and succulent rather than dry. And cut it into bite-sized pieces. Okay, we'll try one piece. The skin is extremely crispy, such a contrast to the tender, succulent and juicy meat underneath. Hope you give this no-fuss pork belly recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy cooking!